So at some point you're going to have quite a lot of starters. We've been doing this for about a week. As you can see, if you have a look, this is like super moussey. I fed it a few hours ago, but we've now got to a situation where we've got too much, and we want to take some out. We want to feed from the bottom again, build it up, get it really active. So we're going to use this up. We're not going to throw it away. We're not going to throw anything away. We've got some leftover belly pork from last night. We've got all of this sourdough starter that we just want to get out of here. So all that nice sort of foamy sourdough starter we're going to use to make pancakes. And take a bit of our leftover belly pork. Just throw that all in there. We've got some chilies. Fried onion. We'll put some in. We'll keep some for garnish at the end, and a little bit of sesame. So we've got those ingredients in our bowls. Just gonna make these like savoury pancakes. Just to use up the bits that we're starting to build up a little bit. Our spiced and aromatic olive oil. Just a little bit there in the bottom of the pan. A reasonable heat. And then I'm just going to pour and spoon some of that into a mix, and then get that little spread. And then we're just going to give that a couple of minutes on that side and try and give that a flip. So that's been in there a couple of minutes now, a sort of medium-high heat, and now that that's kind of, the top's becoming a little less liquid, that's going to be firm enough that we can pick it up and flip it. Just drop it back on the other side, give it a couple more minutes just to crisp up on the bottom, and then there you go, you've got a sourdough pancake you've just made using leftover starter that we needed to get rid of anyway. So it's been on another minute or two. Now got a good hot pan, bit of smoke. That's nice. It's firm. It's crisp. It's cooked. It's easy to pick up. Pancake goes down there. We'll kill my heat. We've got enough mix to do another one, but just going to show you. Now that we've got this here, let's try a bit. Cut the chilies on. Few chilies, a little bit of your crispy onion, even a pinch of sesame, and just a little soy and sesame. Just dress that over there. There you go, it's really sweet. And there you go. So those are your, we slice them up now, but those are your sourdough starter pancakes with chili, onion, and a sesame, soy, and vinegar dressing. Give it a go.